There is a simple trick that we can use in solving this problem to turn it into a relatively simple one. A rectangular piece of paper measuring 17 cm by 2 cm is folded to form an L shape. First question, find the shaded area, and part B, find the unshaded area. The simple trick that we can use in solving this problem is to just trace the original length of the rectangle. Right? The breadth is quite easy. This is 2, so this part is also 2. Right? But what is the original length? There are of course two ways of doing it. The first one is this. Right? Because it is folded, but this is the original length. Right? It is shaped as an inverted L. Right? So we know that this part is 4, right, corresponding to this, and then this part is of course 2. Right? And because the original length is 17, so this part here is 17 minus 2 minus 4, which is of course equal to 11. The second way to trace the length is this. Right? So this part is 4, this part is of course 2, and as before, this will be 17 minus 2 minus 4, 11. Right? And of course this part is 2. So the area will be 11 multiplied by 2 equal to 22. Now for part B, to find the area of this unshaded part, it would be a mistake if you were to do this. Finding the area of the original rectangle and minus off 22, the area of the shaded part that we have found earlier. This will be a mistake. The reason why this will be a mistake is because of this folding part here. Right? There is an overlapping of area here. Right? Therefore, the area of this unshaded part will actually be smaller than this. Right? So to find it, we have no choice but to divide this into two parts. Right? The rectangle and the small right angle triangle. Right? This is of course 2 and this is 2. Right? So the area of the part will be the 4 multiplied by 2 for the rectangle, and then plus half multiplied by base multiplied by height for the triangle. Right? So this will be 8 plus 2 or equal to 10. And just for illustration purposes, alright, let's try to calculate this wrong method. Right? 17 multiplied by 2 is equal to 34, and 34 minus 22 is equal to 12. Right? So as I mentioned earlier, the actual area of this unshaded part will be smaller than this. So as usual, for your practice, go to the link that is given below. Right, click on the new problem button to get the new problem for you to solve, and then you can check your answer by clicking on this. Okay guys, so thank you for listening and have fun.